Hi, today we are going to discuss about Azure Databricks. In reference to the Azure Databricks itself is concerned, wherein today I'm going to explain you about the architecture part, which majorly shows about the end-to-end process of streamlining, at the same time of the kind of pipelines, what is that are we going to use it. In reference to the Databricks process itself is concerned. If you see from a larger context, like it has 4 different stages. One is ingest, second was process, third is store, and followed by analysis and reporting. This is reference architecture, which is called pipeline ingest and all everything, data from 2 sources, which will be performed a join or related records from each stream. At the same time, it enriches the result and calculates an average in real time. The results are stored in the further analysis as well. When you talk about the workflow here, the architecture of Azure Databricks has different components. Like one is for data sources, which is the first one. Wherein here there are 2 data sources that are generated data streams in real time. The first stream contains of write information and second contains of fair information. The reference architecture includes a simulated data generators that leads from a set of static files and pushes the data to event hubs. The data sources in a real application would be devices installed in taxi cabs as well. Now, when you talk about Azure Event Hubs, Event Hub is an event ingestion services. This architecture uses 2 Event Hub instances, one for each data sources. Each data source ends a stream of data to the associated Event Hub. When you reference to the Azure Databricks is an Apache Spark-based analytics platform, which is optimized for the Microsoft Azure Cloud Service platform as well. At the same time, Databricks is used to correlate of the taxi ride of fare data and also to enrich and correlate data with neighborhood data stored in the data file system. When you talk about Azure Cosmos DB, the output of an Azure Databricks job is a series of records that are written to Azure Cosmos DB for Apache Cassandra. This Azure Cosmos DB for Apache Cassandra is used because it supports time series of data modeling. When you talk about Azure Snipes link for Azure Cosmos DB, which enables you to run near real-time analytics over operational data in Azure Cosmos DB without any performance or cost impact on your transactional workload. By using the 2 analytics engines available from your Azure Snipes workspace, SQL Serverless and Spark pools, Azure Log Analytics application log data collection by Azure Monitor is stored in a Logic Analytics workspace. Log Analytics queries can be used to analyze and visualize metrics and inspect log messages to identify issues within the application, all that. This is a complete picture about the kind of architecture in reference to the database, which is in connect to the different architectures like data sources, at the same time Azure Event Hubs, at the same time Azure Cosmos DB, all that stuff. For more information regarding this, please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted in below to this video. Thank you.